Hello and welcome to Blaze Themes YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add carousel layout with NewsKit Elementor Addons plugin to your website. By using NewsKit Elementor Addons plugin, you can import our stylish layouts to your website in just a single click. I will show you the available styles in 3 different carousel layouts. First and foremost, you have to install and activate NewsKit Elementor Addons plugin on your website to be able to use these layouts. You can see there are many styles in its layout. Style 7, Style 8, Style 9, Style 10, Carousel 3. As of today, there are 3 carousel layouts, and in each layout there are many variant styles. You can use these layouts as many as you want in any section of a page. We will be regularly adding layouts and styles with new designs in future updates of NewsKit Elementor Addons plugin. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we will be uploading more tutorials like this in coming days. Now let's start editing. Start editing with Elementor. Go to widgets, search for carousel. Drag and drop the carousel layout. Let's add carousel 2 as well. Finally, carousel 3. You will get a basic layout as soon as you add the carousel widget to a section. In that layout, you can edit each and every element which I am going to show you in this video. As options are similar in each carousel layout, I am deleting layout 3 and 2 for now and show you edits in layout 1 only. You can either choose classic or card skin. Specify the number of columns. Go to post query, select the order of display of posts, choose the number of posts to display, select post authors, select post categories, lifestyle, culture, politics. You can also choose tags, select post to include, add offset. Offset allows you to skip the specified number of posts based on their position in the results. You can also exclude specific posts. On to post element settings. You can show post thumbnail image, post categories, post title, post date. You can select the position of the icon, but if you don't want to show date icon, you can choose none. I want to hide post author but show post comments. You can also select the alignment of elements, left, center or right. You can also sort the position of elements. On to carousel settings. Enable or disable carousel auto slide. Show or hide carousel arrow. enable or disable carousel loop, choose carousel speed, I'm going to enable auto slide. You can enable carousel fade, but the effect is shown only when the number of columns shown is 1. Show or hide slider arrow on hover. Choose icons. Specify icon size. In animation settings, as of today, there are 10 different custom animation effects. If the images appear large on the website, choose large image size. If the images appear small on the website, choose small image size. This saves resources and makes the page load faster. Then determine image ratio. On Style tab, choose Primary Color. We also have an option to change column gap. In post title, edit typography, font family, font size, font weight, transform, style, decoration. Add line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. We can also edit text color, background type, padding, and margin. I'm going to put 8 pixels of top margin. Now post it. Same process. Normal font weight. Pick different text color. Back to carousel settings. I'm going to disable auto slide. I will put 22 pixels of top margin for post date and 20 pixels of margin at right side. On to editing post comments. I hope you are fully familiar with the settings by now. Let's increase a bit of top margin. Moving on to post categories. Add letter spacing. Normal font weight. Adding background color. If you choose gradient background type, you may choose different primary and secondary color. Location in image overlay determines the extent of area covered by primary and secondary colors over the image. You can either choose linear gradient or radial gradient. If you choose linear gradient, you may specify angle. If you choose radial gradient, you may specify position. Let's add border radius on post categories. I am moving on to carousel controls. I am going to make some edits in controls. Changing color in initial state. And different color in hover state. There is also an option for box shadow. Choose solid border type and border width. Select border color. Four pixels of border radius. If you want to add image overlay, first enable it. I am choosing gradient background type, so I will choose different primary and secondary color. Along with that, I will also determine the location of the color. You may also apply CSS filters. I want to enable Carousel Auto Slide and publish it. I would like to remind you that I am using Pro version for this tutorial, so you might not see some features in your website if you are using free version. But there is no need to worry, there is only a little difference. You can get around all of the settings very easily by following this tutorial. If you have any questions or need any help, visit blazethemes.com and contact our support team to get free support.